IFPC Home Insurance Sweden app. The pros, the cons. The IFPC Home Insurance Sweden app is designed to make managing your home insurance simple, fast and accessible. Many people assume it's just a way to check policy details, but the surprising truth is that it allows you to submit claims, track premiums, access digital cards and reach customer support all from your smartphone. One of the app's strongest features is its claims management system. You can report damage, upload photos, and follow your claim in real time, reducing the stress and waiting time typically associated with filing a claim. Digital cards are instantly available, making proof of coverage quick and easy for inspections or emergency situations. Premium tracking is clear, with reminders and a complete history of all past payments. The app also lets you update personal information, adjust coverage and contact support without long waits on the phone. Additional tools, such as home safety tips and step-by-step claim guides, help prevent problems before they occur, which can save you both time and money. However, there are some downsides. Offline functionality is limited, meaning you need a stable internet connection for most tasks. Uploading large files or accessing older claims can be slower at times, and advanced features like detailed policy comparisons and coverage optimization are better developed on the desktop platform. In conclusion, the IFPC Home Insurance Sweden app is a practical and user-friendly solution for managing your home coverage. Its main strengths are efficient claims handling, instant access to digital cards, and clear premium tracking. While a few advanced features are limited, it provides all the essentials needed to confidently manage your home insurance from anywhere, keeping your peace of mind intact.